Aiden.
Hey Connie.
I have a question for you.
What's the question?
Why was my chocolate bag open in the fridge?
Open in the fridge.
Welcome back to our channel. In our last video, you heard us telling you that we finally got our Happijac. We are so excited to start working on our future bed. And to get this job done, there's plenty to do first. Subscribe to our channel and join us to see how this goes.
Hi friends of YouTube, we are back. I'm so excited. We're finally in the van and we're finally gonna start working again. We went to get some more wood because maybe in the last video you heard us saying that we finally have our Happijac. You don't know how long it took us to save the money and get this Happijac. So yeah, let's jump on it and let's get working.
In order for us to create the walls that will hold the bed lift on the back of our van, we attached these strips of wood to the metal first. We also permanently attached part of the walls throughout the van along with some switches.
We're gonna start cutting the walls that are gonna hold the Happijac and we're gonna bring them to the van. The idea is to, once the two boards are cut, we're gonna bring the Happijac and we're gonna trace the two sides and then we'll cut these a little more. That way we don't lose that much light coming through the windows. But so far so good.
Aiden is gone for the weekend, so I decided to get some stuff done while he was gone. If you're building a van, you'll probably understand that there's a lot of little things that need to get done sooner or later.
Ya me ensucié. Oh my gosh. Esto está demasiado sucio. Les va a venir bien una renovada. Cacha. Like this, Aiden. Look who is back.
Made it from the bachelor party. I survived. Good job. We pocket hold these back walls for the Happijac, and now we're gonna line up the Happijac, make sure that everything's straight, and we're gonna cut wherever we don't really necessarily need these walls so that we make it a little bit thinner, some less weight, and more visibility out the back.
Let's mention that our Happijac, it's a 42-inch one.
42-inch Happijac. So we got the smaller Happijac.
Yes. There we go. That's where it's gonna go.
We'll start working towards the front in the next days. Let us know if you'd like us to show you something specific about the Happijac in the next video. We hope you have a good Thanksgiving time.
Today was a very slow day, so I had 6 chocolate covered almonds.
6.
I counted them.